Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CSPro users. Tutorial on create a dictionary and dataset using multi worksheets. We will use the Excel to CSPro tool to create a dictionary and dataset using multiple worksheets in this tutorial. Please see my previous tutorial Excel to CSPro before proceeding with this tutorial. The link can be found in the description box. I have two different sheets in an Excel file, person and housing. The population census data from the example folder is being used. Before using the data, please make sure that data is sorted by the specified IDs. In our case, the first 8 columns are fixed for IDs. To create a dictionary, select Excel to CSPro from the Tools menu. Excel to CSPro window will pop up. Select the second tab, Create CSPro Dictionary from Excel file. Click the Select Excel file and select the Excel workbook that contains the data. Navigate to the working folder if you are not already there. To proceed, double-click on the required file or select your file and press Open. Select any worksheet from the drop-down list. I will start with housing. The housing sheet has the header, so the starting row will remain true. Click on Analyze Worksheet. Select the first 8 items as ID. Now click on the Create Dictionary button. The tool will validate your selections and then ask for the file name of the new CSPro dictionary. Give your dictionary name and press Save to continue. The message, "Do you now want to convert data with this dictionary?" will appear. If you want to immediately convert your Excel data to CSPro format, select Yes, otherwise No. I will select No because I want to create another dictionary for the persons. At this time, select the second sheet, Person. This sheet also contains the unique column name. The Person sheet has the header, so the starting row will remain true. Click on Analyze Worksheet. Select the first 8 items as ID. Now click on the Create Dictionary button. The tool will validate your selections and then ask you for the file name of the new CSPro dictionary. Give your dictionary name and press Save to continue. I will choose No once again because I want to combine census and housing dictionaries and use that dictionary to create a combined data file with person and household information. Navigate to the working folder where our dictionaries are saved. Double-click on the census dictionary. Set the max value 30. The maximum for the person's record could be 30. You can increase and decrease as per your requirement. Set the required No and save it. Now open the housing dictionary. Click on the housing underscore level from the dictionary tree. Select the record property. For the shortcut key, press Ctrl C to copy or right-click on the record properties and select Copy from the drop-down menu. Now minimize this window and open the census dictionary again. Select person underscore level from the dictionary tree. Click on the white space in the record property window. For the shortcut key, press Ctrl V to paste or right-click on the record properties and select Paste from the drop-down menu. Select After from the message window. Click on the plus to open the items for the housing record. From the toolbar, press Layout icon or press Ctrl L or select Layout from the View menu. Any of these options will toggle the display of the data dictionary's current layout. The display will appear in the lower half of the right-hand screen. The layout shows you where each item in each record is physically located, as well as how much space has been allocated to it. This color is refers to the ID item, this for the item, and this color is referred to the record type. The record type should be listed first. So what we are going to do, click on any record or click on the ID. Change the starting point length from 45 to 1. Now record type is set at the start. Save your dictionary and select Excel to CSPro from the Tools menu again to convert your Excel data into CSPro format. Select Excel file. We will use the same Excel file that we used to create the dictionary. I will use the merged Excel file. Select CSPro dictionary. I will use the census dictionary that I have just finalized. I have two records in this dictionary, person rec and housing rec, which is why they are shown here. Click on the select output data file and provide a name for the output data file. If the file already exists, it will be overwritten during the conversion operation. From the drop-down list, select person, assign default mappings. You can select this option, which will automatically map each item to its corresponding column. Choose housing from the second drop-down list next to the housing record. Scroll down under the item and column mapping frame. Where the information about the person's record ends, the items about the house record begin. Now, under the housing record, click Assign Default Mapping to automatically map each item to its corresponding column. When you have specified all the mappings, click on Create CSPro data file to convert the Excel data to a file that can be opened using your CSPro dictionary. The CSPro format data file has been created. Now open your data file in the data viewer. Each ID has the person's information and the housing structure information. I hope you found this tutorial useful in learning how to use the Excel to CSPro tool to create a dictionary and dataset using multiple worksheets. Keep on learning and goodbye.